Welcome back to an episode of Bass Bros, and today, well, we were doing some fishing earlier, but yeah, the video will explain this, but a big storm came through and basically flooded this place, but yeah. This is literally insane. It's hail, like, it stings my back. These people's canoe flew out. We got one of them, but it's insane. I've never seen this bad. Look, our whole yard's flooded from the splashing up over the seawall. It's crazy out here. It's flooded all the way back here. But yeah, well, here we start here. It's like flowing through our deck. It's a river over there. There we go. This is lovely. That's fine.
You better send me this vlog.
I will. There we go. It's flooding back there. Now on to the front yard. It is literally a puddle. I bet I can go casting here and catch a couple bass maybe. But yeah, this is crazy. It's like ankle depth here. We got our own personal river back here. We can go float on some rafts, I guess. But yeah. Well, we found out where most of the water's coming from, but
let's go catch some trolling here tomorrow.
exactly.
Trolling is in the front yard.
Yep. Well, at least the hail stopped.
Yeah.
Oh, that's where it's flooding into. But, you know, it's great. But we're making the best out of what we got. Ahoy, mateys! Oh, that's some nice lightning. Yeah, this is great. Oh, more lightning. Lovely.
Downstream, downstream.
Oh yeah, there's some lumber there. There might be a bass real quick. Yes, sir.
Got a lumber bass. That thing is high quality.
Yeah, you might get one, honestly.
Might be a 1.5 pounder.
Might be like a grass carp. Get it?
Fishing in the grass. we might catch a Dan.
Oh shoot, got one. You got one. You got one. Oh, dude, it came off, man. Oh, just some grass.
Got a
Well, what would you expect, I guess?
grass bass.
Grass bass, yes. Well, it's getting even worse now.
Yeah.
It's all the way back to the very front of our yard. And the lake's all the way back there. Shows you how bad this is getting. Oh, there's a little minnow down
Right
there.
here, see him?
There he goes.
Pick him up.
I don't want to touch him.
I'll get him.
That's a catfish. Oh,
You
you
can
see
see
his
his whiskers.
whiskers, yeah. Oh, there's two of them.
Got him. Got one of them.
Can I see him? Him, Billy?
Oh, let's get this guy back.
Let me see.
Look at him.
Oh,
All right.
he's a baby.
Release some low catfish.
All right, see you later, you little guy. Well, this is gonna be the end of this video. It's a little short video just to show you what's going on here. We were gonna make a challenge video. We didn't get to that today. We were just out on the lake on the boat having fun, you know, all that good stuff. Until this happened, but hopefully we'll still be here tomorrow. I don't know. It's getting pretty crazy, so. But if we do, we're gonna do a little ice fishing rod challenge. You guys can see that. That'll be fun. And so, stay tuned until next time on Bass Bros.